Hello, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this vegetable soup with white beans, kind of Italian style, I suppose. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan, it is absolutely delicious and doesn't take long at all. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at what we have here. I've got 1 can of tomatoes, whole plum tomatoes. Then I've got about 1 cup of onion chopped, 1 can there of white beans. You can use any bean you want actually, and I'm using mine from a can. If you're going to do that, nice wash, rinse in cold water. Tablespoon of garlic, couple of bay leaf there, and then 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. And then you can see the vegetables that I'm using, roughly equal parts, about 2 cups each. I'm using carrots, bell peppers and zucchini or courgette. Now of course you can use celery, mushrooms, anything you want really. There's a few other bits we're going to put in, like I've got some vegetable stock, 2 pints or just over 2 pints of that. A couple of other little bits, but let's get on with it. Okay, so large saucepan, you're going to need a lid as well. I've got in there some olive oil. We're on an above medium heat. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion, like 1 cup or maybe just over a cup actually. 1 tablespoon of garlic. We can get our bay in there now. And I'm going to get my hardest vegetable and I'm going to put in my carrots. So for example, if you were using celery, get that in now. Okay, 3 minutes. We're well on our way. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Okay, now we can put in our beans. I'm using these white beans. I think these are haricot beans. Our bell pepper. Nice bit of colour. Our zucchini. We can now add in a couple of teaspoons of the dried oregano. And again, if you wanted, change that to thyme or dried basil. Or even though I'm going to put some fresh basil in this as well. So, but yeah, you can muck about with it. Bit of rosemary maybe. Nice big pinch or 2 of black pepper. I'm going to do the same with salt. You can adjust that how you want. Above medium heat, stay on that. About another 3 minutes. Keep it moving now. Okay, that's about 9 minutes. Off goes the heat. Let me get some steam out. Try and not get the steam on the lens. And that is beautiful. Check that for salt and pepper. Now what I've got here is I've got some fresh basil. Whole leaves just go in. No need to chop it. In it goes. And that is divine. What I'm going to do now, get that in a bowl because I've just got another couple of little ingredients to add. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Now what I like to do is get some fresh tomato. A little bit of that chopped on the top. And a little bit of flat leaf parsley in the mix. And that's beautiful. Nice kind of winter warmer, healthy, vegan vegetable soup. Hope you enjoy that. Take it easy, be safe, be well. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account.
Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously. If you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist. But yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.